In a statement regarding the RDA's candidate for the upcoming MP elections, UDP MLA and Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh emphasized that the party is making strides in the right direction. He highlighted that various constituency committees have been actively meeting and the candidate is currently on a tour across different parts of Meghalaya.
Party has already started moving in the right direction. Various constituency committees are meeting, and the candidate is touring various parts already. He has visited West Khas Hills in the past 1 week, and we hope that we should be able to complete his taking part in various meetings within the prescribed time by the Election Commission. Well, various issues have already been spelled out by our candidate at the when he was declared as the official candidate. Those issues are very vital, and we're fortunate that we have been able to select the best possible issues which are relevant to the Lok Sabha. And that apart, since two major regional parties have come together under this alliance, and also at a time when the aspirations of regional parties is going to be a major focal point of the Lok Sabha elections, we are very optimistic that our candidate will sail through.
Commenting on the Cabinet's decision to extend the term of autonomous district councils, Lyngdoh stated that the state government has been approached by the district councils for crucial revisions and redefinitions of various constituencies. Responding to VPP's allegations regarding the state government's reluctance to hold ADC elections, Lyngdoh asserted that differing opinions are natural, especially given the unprecedented delay in the process.
Well, I think this was obviously with reference to the fact that last year the state government has already been approached by the district councils for the much needed revision and redefinition of the various constituencies. As you are aware, some of these constituencies have voters of roughly 15,000 to 19,15. But there are some constituencies which have 3 times that number. So in all fairness, if an MDC is to deliver, at least there should be a certain amount of parity, and the same MDC should also be able to, in order to enable him to represent the people adequately, there should be some parity, at least in the number of voters of each of the constituencies. But they are entitled to their opinions. All I can say is that this is not unprecedented. In the past, the Garo Hills, the GHADC, has had 2 years of extension when Dr. Mukul Sama was the Chief Minister. So an extension of 6 months, when you compare to what was done in the past, an extension of 2 years is certainly a relatively a very brief period.
Addressing objections raised against the Meghalaya governor delivering his address in Hindi in the assembly sessions, Lyngdoh clarified that the speech's text is available in English, thus speaking in Hindi should not pose a problem. However, he noted that if the governor were to speak solely in Hindi without any translation, it would raise different concerns altogether.
Bahkan dan ke prepare lada ulat Ukraine da ka tiene Hindi, but hakajuk ko part ya ka jing kren ka jong kalong available la supply ya ka speech ka jong ya ka text jong ka speech jong haka in English. Ti kani kamde ke prepare la pipet ya ka parliament barok ki kitian ki barung haka schedule laban kren bat pi laban yo snow ya ke jengkren da ka ketien ke ba pipi snow tu unong kren da ketien ke ba unang ba unong ngap udu ban ngap ka ketien bo so tu ba ke ti ngaling pensulur ba kamdi tang bandi da ka english saki atli ki associate official language ru an ra ikani kamat bagi associate official languages jong ka state ru de ban translate lang ha ki tu ketien ru ti ka perthai ka pemerintah ka ba jongka artificial intelligence le tu pikiran daga nu ka ketien ru interpretation kalong hang tu hi daga ketien ka ba pipi ko apan skau te kamdan kami ibagan dan kendi isu daga kalong ban ba Ukraine be daga satang bu Ukraine be daga Hindi wat ngiru translation ngisu shong bet kayu tau lat ri daga wi daga kam ke